don't know if you can tell, but since my last vlog, my skin has gotten so much better. My sister's an esthetician and she sent me this really awesome skin peel, but I can't use it while I'm using other acne products, so I have to stop using my acne products for a week. So I'm like at the last day of the week, so my skin's been kind of like giving me a little bit of crap this week because I've been not putting acne products on it. And your face is supposed to like peel off for like 2 days after you do it. So I'm really excited to look kind of like a zombie for 2 days. Okay, one song I've been loving is Ain't No Grave by Bethel. It came out a couple years ago, but it's so good. Just like OTD. I just bought these Lululemon shorts and I've never been able to buy Lululemons because they're like 60 bucks. But I finally was able to buy them because I have a job and I'm so happy about it. I finally feel like I'm one of the girls, you know. I went jogging the other day and I felt like one of those rich suburban moms. It's really awesome. Oh, and this top's from Zara. Vlog style. Charity, you know Charity because she's been in like multiple of my videos, but she has been really on her vlog game, like really good editing, really good thumbnails, and I was like, what happened? Not that her vlogs weren't good before, but I mean like it just stepped up to another level. And so she was like, oh my gosh, this girl Claudia Slutsky, she makes a video on how she edits her videos and it changed my life. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm trying out this new vlog style. It's a little more candid and like artsy, which sometimes doesn't work for me because I'm more of like a spill it all out kind of person. But we're gonna try it and I think it's gonna look a lot better. I just hope it doesn't seem ingenuine. And if it doesn't work, I'll just go back to what I was doing before, which is, I don't know. It's good. Today, I'm really gonna go somewhere because I am in my house by myself like all week. Okay, makeup time. I watched Pride and Prejudice a couple days ago and Elizabeth Bennett, I mean, her makeup is just so like natural, but it's also contoured, and I was like, I wonder how you do that. So I looked up this video of this girl who did Elizabeth Bennett makeup, and so I tried to the best of my ability to follow her tutorial, and now I'm like in love because it looks natural, but it also looks really pretty and contoured, and I've been doing it lately. Yeah, this makeup speaks to me. And now I'm gonna have some Jesus time, so I'll be back in a minute. That was a good Jesus time. It is 12:26. I want to go do something. My mom wants me to help clean, so I will do that. Okay, we are taking a pause from cleaning. Hey, Mom. And we're gonna go to Lowe's and get some tile for the kitchen. And I'm really hungry. Should we get something out, like Rubio's or something? Or should we get something here?
Probably here.
Okay.
I've got about 100 burgers in there.
Oh, you're right, you're right. We're gonna eat Lowe's and then
Thrifting.
And then we're gonna go thrifting at 2. Get it, get it. Go, go, go. I used to have this Maverick. I used to have this in all my little pet shops in there.
A person, you put a person right there and you walk up and you walk up.
That is so cool. Thrift stores stress me out, but they're fun. I feel sick. That was probably not the best idea, especially since I'm like lactose intolerant. I'm going to start editing this vlog and maybe do some work. That was an awkward transition, but not really sure how I could have transitioned out of that well. We're going to get pizza, and then we're going over to our friends that we were shopping and thrifting with today, their house, and we're just gonna hang out and have a fun pizza party night. Woo! Is it good?
Hey, did y'all see my... No. Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Bless his name. Bless his holy name.
Get it. Today has not been a healthy food day. I thought it would be a great kickoff with the smoothie, then a burger and ice cream and pizza. This is not how I normally eat. Oh, I feel sick. No more pizza. Got some PJs. Now I'm going to sit in my beautiful living room and edit. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you liked the new artsy style I was trying out. It took a lot of effort, I know, because I was editing half of it today. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.